Clean air for driver and passengers. Contains soda and carbon to generate fresh breeze air. Enhanced HVAC performance, recommended replacement every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Replacement for FRAM CF10547, replacement for Toyota, Mazda, Subaru genuine part number 87139-0E040, 87139-0R030, 87139-26010, 87139-28020, 87139-48050, 87139-58010, 87139-YZZ37, 97139-0E040, 97139-58010, 72880FL00A, TK4861J6X. Compatible with auto models: Avalon, 2019 to 2021, Camry, 2018 to 2021, Corolla, 2019 to 2021, Highlander, 2020-2021, Prius, 2016 to 2021, Prius AWD-E, 2019 to 2021, Prius Prime, 2017 to 2021, RAV4, 2019 to 2021, RAV4 Prime, 2021, Sienna, 2021-2022, Venza, 2021-2022. Compatible auto models: ES250, 2021-2022, ES300H, 2019 to 2021, ES350, 2019 to 2021, RX350, 2016 to 2021, RX350L, 2018 to 2021, RX450H, 2016 to 2021, RX450 hectoliters, 2018 to 2021, UX200, 2019 to 2021, UX250H, 2019 to 2021. Compatible auto models: Ascent, 2019 to 2021, Crosstrek, 2018 to 2021, Impreza, 2017 to 2021, Legacy, 2020 to 2022, Outback, 2020 to 2022, Mazda, CX-9, 2016 to 2021. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality. It's true what the other reviews say. There really is a gap on both ends. But it's no big deal. I just squeeze in 2 thin pieces of window insulation foam on both ends and there's no more gaps. The quality is better than OEM product.